Okay, now it's recording. So how do you like doing dishes, Nathaniel?
Good. Mostly it's my first time stuff.
I know. I think that one's going to need more soap, baby.
We got the water out.
Just a little water. Squeeze it together. Oh, this thing's getting full of water, so... Okay, I'm not going to show you the garbage disposal just yet.
I know where the garbage disposal is.
Where? Let me see. Look, nope, don't turn it on yet. Are you going to start doing dishes for me soon?
Sure.
Whenever I ask?
That's my new chore. You have to pay me $2.
Yeah?
Because remember, my allowance started a year ago.
Oh, it did?
Yeah, $2 for taking out the trash.
When do you ever take out the trash?
Mostly every single day.
Yeah, right. I think that I do.
What? Like 5 times you did, Mom. That's all.
You're doing a good job there, buddy.
Yeah, I should be doing the dishes.
Yeah.
I'm clean, I made this.
I love you.
I do.
How much do you love me?
Until the planet of the 8th.
Until the planet of the apes?
Until the planet of the 8th was ever made, actually.
Okay. Say goodbye.